Now, dear students, today we will discuss the next point in physical features of India, that is coastal plain. So, now, dear students, coastal plain. Let us discuss this topic today. Now, coastal plain from this area, students, from here. Complete this region, that is coastal plain. When we talk about the border line, then it starts from Kutch, this place, that is run of Kutch. It starts from this place and end from this place. This is Odisha, and the river that flow here, Swarnarekha. Swarnarekha river flow here. This is the boundary line of coastal India, and the length we have already discussed about 6100 kilometer. The length of this region, that is 6100 kilometer. Now, dear students, let us discuss next things here. This is a western coast region, means this area, that is a western coast area. Now, when we talk about the division of this area, then it is divided in three parts in Gujarat. Now, in Gujarat region, this is Kutch coast. After that, next, this portion, this is known as Kathiawar coast. And one more, this portion of Gujarat, that is called Kakrapar coast. It is called Kakrapar, double K, Kakrapar coast. Now, next things, from this place to last portion. Now, this is Daman, Daman and Diu. This is a union territory. So now, from Daman to Goa, that is called Konkan coast. In your book, Mumbai is written, but don't be confused there. Daman to Goa means from this place, this is Daman, to that portion, this is Goa. Means from Daman to Goa, the western coast of India, that is called Konkan coast. Okay. Now, from Goa, this place, this is Goa. From Goa to New Mangalore, this place, this is New Mangalore. New Mangalore is located in Karnataka. From Goa to New Mangalore, that is called Kannada coast. It is called Kannada coast. Now, next, from New Mangalore to Kanyakumari, means from here to here, Kanyakumari. This is double K, Kanyakumari. Means from New Mangalore to Kanyakumari, this portion is called Malabar coast. It is called Malabar coast. So, dear students, this is the western coast of India.